Okay, so this is task 10 from It Sounds on the Shore. We have been told that we need to open up a file called running order and update as indicated. So this is a document that contains all the information about who's playing It Sounds on the Shore. So we're just going to open it up from the files that we've been working on previously. And we're going to update it with this information. We've also been told we need to design an attractive front page, which has got the festival date and logo, and put a border on that page only. And we've also got to make a couple of changes. Someone's cancelled, so somebody else is going to take their slot. So the file we're opening is called running order. So we'll open it up. And I'm going to start with putting the front cover in. So I'm just going to go, make sure my cursor is above the table here, insert, blank page. Okay. So the first instructions were we were going to put a page border in, but only on that page. So if we click on design, page border, pick a box, pick a border, and where it says apply to, we want to just apply to this section, first page only, and click on OK. We also need to put in our logo. So we're just going to click on the logo. We've used it a few times now, and copy it over and paste it in. And we also need the date. So you would think by task 10 I would remember what the date is, but I am just going to go up to the top of the document again and get our date. So here we are. Copy. Paste it in. Now this is the front cover of a booklet, so I want it to look attractive. So I'm going to make the font bigger and center it, make the logo a bit bigger. Just so we know it's a nice attractive front cover. Might even underline the date there. Okay. So the next thing we want to be doing is we'll have to look at the comments and see if there's any comments to do as well. So it wants us to shade the rows containing the dates. Now I'm not going to do it for all of them, but I'll show you how to do it for one. So if you just click so it turns to that black arrow and right click, and then you're going to use your paint pot and just pick a shaded colour. So I'd pick a grey, make sure it's not too dark, you want to still be able to see the writing. But you're going to do that for all the rows that contain a date in them. Okay? And once we've done that, we can just delete the comment. Right click and delete comment. Okay, but make sure you do it for all of them, so all the ones with dates in them. Okay, so from the document that the instructions we've been given, we've got to update this document with the following information. So here we have got when people are playing and what stage they're playing on, and we've got to put that information into the document. And I'm not going to do it for all of them, but you'll see for the south stage at 2 o'clock, it tells us that Castile are playing, so we'll just type that in. For the north stage, we've got Emily Banks and Liana, and the unsigned stage are Creed Sass. Okay, so I'll just show you again where I'm getting this information from. It's from here, okay, so you'll see 2 o'clock, South Stage, Castile, 2 o'clock, North Stage, Emily Banks and Liana, and unsigned 2 o'clock, Creed Assassin. So you've got to just work through it and you're filling in the whole, all the spaces with that information there. So just take your time to make sure you're picking the right person. Okay, the other instruction is that we need to get rid of Paris is not playing anymore. So to find Paris, I'm just going to click on Control and F, search for Paris. So Paris is here, and Paris needs to be deleted. So highlight Paris, and its radio ghosts are going in instead. So we can just drag them up, pop them in. Now my